If you're looking for a quick and easy upgrade for your 2024 Mustang GT or Dark Horse, you can't go wrong with a pair of these K&N filters. These will be direct replacements for that factory paper filter, and they're going to be an easy to install upgrade. Now, K&N for years has been proven to be reliable, they last long, and they're going to add some horsepower to your car as well. Several people have dynoed and seen some small gains out of just the filter swap alone. On a car that you can't tune right now, every little bit counts, and again, this is an excellent and easy to install upgrade. Before we jump into the installation video, if you have any questions about the tools we're using, check out cjponyparts.com/tools or click the link up in the corner for a free exclusive PDF and video showing you the tools you should have in your toolbox and how to safely and properly use them. Again, filter swap, very easy to do. I'm sure you've seen the underhood of your Mustang already, but if you haven't, you have a dual inlet this year. There's 2 throttle bodies and 2 intakes, so you have 2 filters, one on this side and one over there. To get the filter out, simply pop these clips and remove the lid. Pretty cool little Easter egg. The passenger side has the original V8 emblem, and then this side has all the V8 engines that were available in the standard Mustangs. Now I'm using an 8mm socket to remove this, but a flathead screwdriver will do the same job. Pull it off. If you're careful, you can kind of work the filter down into place, but honestly, it's easier at this point. Just remove this 10mm bolt right here. It makes it a lot easier. So if you follow the posts online for free horsepower for these cars, a lot of people are doing the K&Ns and they're removing the carbon trap, which is located right there. So we're going to leave ours because we don't want to visit from the EPA, and it's only worth a couple horsepower anyway. But if you're curious where the carbon trap was, that's where it's located. We'll install our new K&N filter. And tighten it down. Now we'll reinstall the bolt. Then reinstall the lid. 2 hooks go on the back. Then repeat the process on the other side. Like I said, this is a great, easy, quick installation for your brand new Mustang that's going to be worth a few horsepower. Plus, these filters are lifetime. You can clean them and re-oil them, and link in the description below will show you exactly how to do that. As far as installation goes, this is a 5-minute install. Be back on the road in no time.